Looks like you're taking the Wormhole Express after all. I'm transmitting coordinates to the Star Towers for our mission to Titan. We are good to go. ESD. Just a small part of our growing fleet here at the command center in Kuala Lumpur. Next gen fully armed and ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
Don't worry, recruits. We got your back. We will rendezvous with our battery support topside.
Thanks, Wolfman. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator.
Follow me.
Roger.
Watch that space sir. Good luck.
Follow me, pilot.
What a view! Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Locked and loaded.
All systems are go. Prepare to launch.
Engage wormhole generator.
Wormhole generator at full power.
Okay, prepare for jump to hyperspeed. Welcome to Saturn, folks. What the? That's no probe.
Shields up.
Force field generator activated. Wait a second, I'm detecting no signs of life. I think it's abandoned.
Let's take a look.
After you.
Okay. Time formation. Everybody stay alert. We're going in.
We're inside a destroyer-class attack. The power core's been shut down. No wonder we couldn't read his energy signal from Earth. Wait, those are bioluminescent life forms. My scan should have picked them up.
What's your scan? Jam.
That makes no sense. It's a trap.
What's the deal, Bravo?
I'm multiple targets. Watch his head.
That's a shatter and take your target. You got thrust below the clock.
Watch that front fire.
Let me get out of here. I'm taking this slow. Hold on.
Lay down for cover fire. Where are you, Max? You're into a hornet's nest. Max, where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. I got one right in front of me. Oh man, our shields are being ganked, firing up his weapons.
Cover, Max. I'll keep the bug boy occupied, but you, get out of here.
Get out of here. You've got to reach the central core and destroy it.
How?
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
I appreciate it.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
That's it, Wolfman, light it up.
Get away.
There's our exit. Come on, baby, you can do it. I feel the power, but I can barely control them. You're coming in hard. Hang on. I can't control the ship. Look out. Auxiliary power to stabilizers. I think I got it under control.
Hold on, Max. We're picking up an alien signal. Something came back through the wormhole.
He's right in front of us.
Not so fast, little boy.
Man, you're back.
I said I had you back. Nice going, recruits. Not bad for your first mission.
Not bad. I think we just saved the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.
Welcome back, recruits. Congratulations.